What's Vanilla gift card? How to get one, and how to use it? A Vanilla Visa gift card is a prepaid debit card that can be used online or in-store wherever Visa debit cards are accepted. You can buy one from various retailers, such as Walmart, Sam's Club, or online at vanillagift.com. To use it, you need to activate it first by following the instructions on the card or the packaging. Then, you can use it as a contactless payment via digital wallets, such as Apple Pay, Samsung Pay, or Google Pay. You can also use it online by entering the card information as you would a credit or debit card. Make sure you have enough balance to cover the entire cost of the purchase, including taxes and fees. You can check your balance online at vanillagift.com or by calling the number on the back of the card. Vanilla Visa gift cards never expire, so you can use them anytime. They are a great way to say thank you, congratulations, or happy birthday to someone you care about. Question: how to sign in Vanilla gift card account? To sign into your Vanilla gift card account, you need to follow these steps. Go to the official Vanilla balance checking page. Enter your Vanilla account user ID and password to start the activation procedure. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one by clicking on the Create an Account button and filling out the required information. Once you are logged in, you can check your balance, activate your card, or customize your gift card online.